Morning guys, in front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, open your phone gallery, then choose the contact that you want to personalize, mark edit, and select add picture. And now you can either click on camera and open it to grab a photo right now. You can choose one from illustrations here, whichever you want. Then customize it with preset, or you can use one from your one photo from your gallery. Let me just, for example, this one, and tap on choose. Then mark save to a player, and that's it. As you can see, this is how you can quickly and easily add photo to contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.